Meet Charlie, the chief engineer at data center. A year ago, his day-to-day was spent in a continuous reactionary state of putting out fires and doing damage control. He faced difficulty in maintaining an accurate inventory of assets, their locations, and their status, not to mention managing and analyzing vast amounts of data from sensors, devices, and monitoring tools in separate, disjointed systems. This resulted in inefficiencies, lack of actionable insight due to scattered data, delays in repairs, increased risk of downtime, and an over-reliance on reactive maintenance, leading to both increased costs and risk of unexpected failures. Thanks to MCIM's unified cloud-based solution, Charlie's day-to-day looks significantly different. Let's take a peek. Starting with his assets inventory list, not only is it complete, but he has the added benefit of being able to save filtered lists so he can sort, as well as do a global search. At a glance, he can see the name, the asset alias, its status, the manufacturer make and model, as well as the site location. Anomalies reported on his homepage dashboard triggers him to drill into the details of this cooling tower. In this view, he has served all the necessary information in order to keep this asset fully optimized. We've got general information, infrastructure information, and note that he can upload a photo. Further down, we've got lifespan detail, as well as any downstream dependencies. As seen here on the right, the MCIM solution brings the industry's first and only comparative dataset for infrastructure and critical asset performance, providing Charlie with the top failure modes for this particular asset. And remember all the devices and tools and sensors that need to bring in monitoring data? We have access to that right here. He can easily toggle between the different monitoring readings that are recommended. Now we know that Charlie needs to pivot often and quickly throughout the day between different assets and tasks. He can easily navigate to his home screen to address other items needing his attention, and while gaining powerful and predictive insights to help drive decisions around actions and priorities. He sees his open tasks, any work requests. He's got his home page, and here is that anomalies report, and here's that cooling tower. He can easily link directly into that cooling tower from here as well. Notice that we have a lot of data that's being presented to him, allowing him to make good business decisions. Here in his open task, he sees a reminder to run a maintenance compliance report. Not a problem. He easily jumps into that report, and he ran it for last year. We've got color coding to signify the different statuses, and he can take a quick peek at how they did last year. Whether that's multi-year maintenance, yearly, biannually, quarterly, as well as your monthlies. These are loaded with these industry standards, and if I select any one of these, it's going to provide a checklist of the different prescribed procedures. While this was only a brief look into Charlie's day-to-day, it is evident that MCIM's solution goes beyond asset management, with combining powerful data and predictive insights that enable optimized performance and maximize value, all while minimizing operational complexity.